Alright, hello everyone, and today I thought I'd just jump in and do a few extra quick tutorials for a map making class that I'll post up to the web. Let's get this banner right down. First thing I'm going to do today is show how to get GIMP ready for doing some FS15 graphics. GIMP is a graphics editing software that's free on the internet, and we'll go through each of the steps and get the plugins you need and show you how to install them and get GIMP ready for map making. So first you want to Google GIMP or go to www.gimp.org and you will see the download button for GIMP 2.8. Click on that and you have two choices. I always use the first one from the via HTTP. Click there and you'll see it's downloading 87.7 megabytes. Once you have that downloaded, you can run the exe file and install GIMP to your system. We'll wait till it downloads, even though I already have it here. Alright, once you have it, you can open it. It will run it. Just click the run button. Select your language. And GIMP will install. I am not going to click the install button because I already have it installed, but you would click the install button, go through the GIMP setup process, and you'll be good to go with that. Hey KW, just doing a few quick tutorials. Today we are setting up GIMP to get it ready for doing some graphics. Once you have the GIMP downloaded, we have to get a couple extra things for it. The first thing we are going to be looking for is a DDS file plugin for GIMP. So we'll Google GIMP DDS Plugin, and we want to get this one right here, I believe. Yes, so it's https://code.google.com. But the easiest way to do it if you're watching this is to type in !DDS to get the GIMP plugin. Select the one for your system. Here we have, I'm using Windows 64, so we'll select the 64-bit plugin and simply download that. It's pretty quick. And you will see I have the plugin here. Once you have it downloaded in a zip file, just open it up, right-click, and copy the DDS.exe file. Now what we're going to do with that is go to your C program files. You will see a GIMP 2 because you should have it installed. Then the library folder, GIMP 2.0, and plugins. And you simply just take that DDS plugin and paste it. Mine's already there, so I'll paste it in and overwrite the one I have anyway. And that is the first plugin you need for viewing DDS files. The next one I want you to get is called the GIMP Normal Map plugin. So we will again just Google GIMP Normal Map, and the top one, I believe it is, yes. So that also, you could just type in, let's see, what do I have that set up as? !normal, or you can get this address right there, which is code.google.com/p/gimp-normal map, and it'll bring you to this page where over here you can see you have the Win64 or the Win32-bit. Just click on the Windows 64-bit one. We'll download the normal map the same way we did the other one. And show in folder, same thing, open it up. Here you're going to see several files though. The normal map .exe file goes in the same directory that we just had. So we can bring that back up in by going to C, Program Files. Once again, GIMP 2, Libraries, GIMP 2.0, Plugins, and we paste that one into the Plugins file. If you already have it, you'll get that message, but you shouldn't. Now we have the normal map .exe file in there. Next, we have to go back to our file that we downloaded, which I have it in my downloads. And where is it? There it is. We have these 3 DLL files here, so we're gonna left click the top one, holding shift down. I left click the bottom one to select all 3, the DLL files, and we will copy those. And we're going to put those in C, Program Files, GIMP 2, Binaries. And we paste those into the binaries, and mine are already there as well. So you'll get those 3 files in there. And you should be set to go. Once you have those installed, you can find the GIMP icon on your desktop and double click it to run GIMP. Now if you go into GIMP, you should see under the filters, if you go down to map, you should see in here a normal map option, because we installed the normal map plugin under map. And also if you go into the file, let's see, we'll bring in a graphic here real quick. If you can open a DDS file, just browse to within one of the maps that has a .dds, and it should highlight, and you should be able to open it now in GIMP. So that's a basic getting you started with the GIMP tutorial, and we will come back in just a minute. I'm going to stop just briefly to disconnect the GIMP tutorial. Then we will start on showing you how to make a normal map and a specular map from an image, which is another tutorial that you'll need down the road. So we'll get that done in just a second. Just hang on. I'm going to stop it so I can upload these tutorials separately for everyone, and I'll be right back in just 1 minute.